Today we're replacing a steering column bushing. This little piece right here on this Honda Elantra. The issue is noise from the steering wheel. You hear this noise? That's what we try to alleviate. That's what this little piece stops. They are notorious for wearing out on these cars. Or to get there, you got to take the steering column stuff down. The motor back here in the back, you see the bottom side of it. Gotta get there, take it down, replace that bushing, and that's that. So we finally got this apart, and as you can see, damage from the little bushing has worn out. You see all the pieces in here. The old one is the new piece. It's gonna be going in there. Gotta take time and clean all this other debris out of here. End results, no noise. The neighborhood mechanic, wonderful for repair. No leftover tools, no leftover bolts. Got it in, got it all back together. Still putting the panels and stuff back in. All my bolts are in place.